Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom recovery on Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Okay, first we need to unlock our bootloader. To do it, we need to open up the settings, then go into connections and we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So turn it on and also select available network and connect to it. Click on connect. Now, if we are connected, we can go back, but we need to wait a little bit, okay? We can go back, go straight to the downside and click on software update. Basically, we don't need to do any software update, we just need to click on download and install because we need to connect to the server. And thanks to that, we will have possibility to unlock the bootloader, which is necessary. Okay, it's going to check for the updates. Okay, if there's an update in the background that it's going, simply pause it, go back, go into about phone, and another important thing in here you can check your model number. It's important that you need to have the same model because in this video I'll show you a recovery mode that works for this exact model. Of course, if you want, you can check for other recovery modes for your model in internet and download them manually. Okay, now we need to go into software information and we need to unlock the bootloader. First, we need to tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. If it's enabled, simply go back, scroll down, go into developer options. Oh, and my screen has turned off. Okay. Alright, in here we should have an OEM Unlocking feature. If it doesn't pop out, just like in my case, all you need to do is to restart your device. So that's what I'm about to do. Hold power button, click on restart, and we'll repeat the process. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, I have rebooted the phone, so let's go again into the settings. Straight to the downside, developer options. Okay, and now we have the OEM Unlocking feature. So we just need to enable it. Click on enable, but you need to remember about one thing. Enabling the bootloader will cause that all of our data will be erased because the phone will perform a factory reset. So what I highly recommend to do is to create a backup of your data before you unlock your bootloader. Now we need to click on delete all. Okay, the phone will perform now a factory reset. In the meantime, we can do other things. First, on your computer, visit our page, HardReset.Info, go straight into download, and we need to download two things. We need to download Samsung drivers, click on search, download these drivers, click on download simply, then type Odin, and download that version 3.14.4 and click on this big green download button. Then visit the mega page. You can find the link in the description of the video. It's right in here. And in here we have our custom recovery. We need to double click on it and we need to download this file, TWRP 3.7.0. That's our custom recovery. Right click on it, download, and click on standard download. In my case, it's already downloaded, so I won't do it again. Same thing with Odin and Samsung drivers in my case. Okay, now let's open up the file explorer, go straight into downloads, and we need to extract the Samsung USB drivers and Odin. You can use WinRAR for it. Simply right click, select WinRAR and click on extract to. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can right click and click on extract all and extract. It's up to you. Then open up the Samsung USB driver. In here we have an app. We need to install the drivers. In my case, it's already installed, so I won't do it again. But in your case, if you are downloading it for the first time, after the installation process, I highly recommend to restart your computer so you'll have 100% sure that every driver has been downloaded properly. So that is why it's good to restart your computer. Okay, now we need to basically wait until our phone will perform a factory reset. We also have to go through the setup process to verify the bootloader. Is it properly unlocked? So it's going to take a little bit, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, the phone has turned on after the factory reset, and now we just need to go through the setup process. So select your language, then click on that blue arrow, select that you agree, click on next. Skip the network for now, don't copy. Click on next, more and accept, skip anyway. Skip, finish. Okay. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi once again. So let's wait until the icons appear. All right. Settings, connections, Wi-Fi, connect into available network. Tap on connect. Go back, scroll down, software update, download and install. You can pause that update if you have available. Okay, again, about phone, software information, tap on the build number until developer mode is enabled. Go back, scroll down, developer options. Okay. OEM unlocking feature is enabled, and when it says bootloader already unlocked, it means that everything went successfully. Okay, now we can power off our phone, hold power button, and click on power off. Now we need to launch the download mode on our phone. It requires an USB cable that is also connected into your computer, and now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time. While we are holding them, we need to insert the cable, but don't release buttons if you insert the cable, but keep holding a little bit longer until menu appears. So hold both volume keys, insert the cable and keep holding. Okay, just like that. Now click on volume up once. We are in the download mode. Now on our computer we need to launch the Odin app. Click on OK. Okay, when you can see those numbers right in here, it means that our phone has been properly and successfully connected. The Odin app sees it properly. And now, to install our custom recovery, select AP, go into Downloads, and select the TWRP file. That's our recovery. Click on Open. Then go into Options, unselect everything, and now click on Start. Okay, when it says pass, it means that everything went successfully. Now to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume down button first. When the screen turns off, we need to quickly switch the combination. We need to hold power button and volume up button until we see the Samsung logo. When it appears, release the finger from power button, but keep holding volume up. So first, volume down and power. Now quickly switch and release the finger from power button if you see Samsung logo, but keep holding volume up. Okay, as you can see, our custom recovery launches. Swipe to the right side. Now click on wipe, go into format data, type the word yes, confirm, then go back. You can also swipe to perform a factory reset, it's worth doing. Go back. You can also click on wipe and we could, in here we cannot wipe the cache, so that's basically all that we had to do. Now, if you want, you can install, for example, your custom ROM from here, create a backup, restore the data, go into advanced, check the settings, or if you want to reboot, simply hit the button and you can reboot. Back to recovery mode, you can completely power off your device and you can reboot to your system. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.